using point of view to amp up suspense. Hello learners! Today we're diving deep into the intriguing world of creative writing. One tool that writers often employ is the point of view. But did you know that it can be strategically used to enhance suspense? Stick around as we unravel this technique. Point of view, often abbreviated as POV, is the perspective from which a story is told. Imagine putting on a pair of glasses. The type of glasses you wear can change the way you see the world. Similarly, the point of view chosen by a writer influences how the reader perceives the story. There are several types of POVs. 1. First person, I walk to the store. 2. Second person, you walk to the store. 3. Third person limited, he walked to the store, thinking of the chores. 4. Third person omniscient, he walked to the store, unaware of the storm brewing across town. Suspense is the intense feeling that an audience goes through while waiting for the outcome of certain events. By carefully choosing the POV, writers can control the amount of information available to readers, thereby creating mystery and suspense. 1. First-person POV. Being inside a character's head can make the reader feel intimately connected. If the character is unaware of a lurking danger, the reader shares that vulnerability. 2. Second-person POV. This is less commonly used, but it places the reader directly in the story. You see a shadow flicker, but can't identify its source. It's immediate and personal. 3. Third-person limited. The reader knows only what the focal character knows. If the character doesn't see the danger, neither does the reader. 4. Third-person omniscient. This POV can reveal more than the characters know. It can show impending danger that the characters are oblivious to, creating a tension between reader knowledge and character ignorance. Let's take a scenario. A character is searching for a book in an old, dusty library. 1. First person, I heard a faint rustling behind me. Turning around, I saw nothing. Was the old library playing tricks on my mind? 2. Second person, you hear a faint rustling. As you turn, the vast emptiness of the library greets you. What was that sound? 3. Third person limited. Sarah heard a rustling. She searched the area, but the source remained hidden. 4. Third person omniscient. Sarah was engrossed in her search, unaware of the shadowy figure watching her from the corner. Notice how each POV provides a different level of suspense and engagement for the reader. Point of view isn't just about who's telling the story. It's a powerful tool that can elevate the tension and suspense in your writing. Whether you're a writer looking to craft a gripping tale or a reader wanting to understand the nuances of your favorite books, we hope this deep dive into POV has been illuminating. Happy reading and writing!